Hello friends, welcome back to the video series on basics of shell scripting. This video is the extension from the two previous videos. That is, we should use the if-else condition in the shell script. We should write the script to append a file which has some content previously, or the file is blank at first, that means no content in the file, and we should work with the same file hello.sh as like the previous videos. So here at first open the file, and here we are changing the code. Echo -e, enter file name to search. At that moment we are changing enter file name want to append, and here we are providing read file underscore name, and here the flag should be changed to -f, and here we are providing, that means the file name is empty or not, and here we are changing the echo with that is not empty, and here we are giving empty for the else part. And as you know, the flag should be not -f, practically -s for the checking of empty or not empty. So here at first we are giving -s, Control S to save the file, and once again we are executing the file at first ls, and you know there is the file new file, and ls -al, the file is not empty at that moment. So if we want to execute the script hello.sh, enter file name want to append, and here we are providing the name of the file as new file not empty, that is true, but we have to append the file if exist. So we have to check the write permission is available or not to the file also. So here once again we are checking with the flag -w, and here once again we are just checking the file writable permission available or not, new file empty, although that means here the new file has no writable permission, and already that is given here. So here we are changing the code at first. So here at first we are changing the flag from -w to f. Once again we want to append the file, that means the first one if condition is checking the file exists or not, then we are providing another if condition, and here if the square bracket start, then -w for the writable permission available or not to the file underscore name, end of square bracket, then another, then keyword. Now here we are providing echo, and here type some content to $file underscore name, and here we are providing another instruction, that is to quit press Ctrl + D, and then we are providing the command to append cat and double redirection sign to write something on that particular file name, that is redirection, that means appending cat double redirection sign and after that file underscore name the file. Then if it is not writable, then we should provide else and we should give here the echo, that is the file is not writable, end of double quote. And here also we are providing tab for better arrangement, and here fi for that particular if condition or if else condition. Then else echo file name does not exist, that means for the first if condition. So here Ctrl S to save the file. At first we should check, Ctrl L to clear the screen and execute it. At first we are providing some file name which is not available in the desktop directory. So here we are providing new file 1, that is not available. So new file 1 does not exist. And once again ls minus al, the new file has no writable permission present. So here once again if we execute the script and give the new file, that is the name of the file is not writable. So if we want to make it writable, we have to give another command. And at first we can check what is the content available in the new file. A, B, C, D, E is the content only available here. So here chmod, then give the writable permission to the file and enter. And once again we can check ls minus al, yes, the new file at that moment has the writable permission available. So now we can append it. Ctrl L once again, and once again we can execute the file now. At first once again check what is the output, what is the content available in the new file, and now we can execute the script. So here enter file name, want to append new file, and here type comes on content to new file, and to quit press Ctrl plus D. Suppose ABCDE already has been given, so we are writing new content and we are providing Ctrl D to quit or save the file at that moment. So let's check what is happening with the new file content. So that is cat new file. Already you can check, it was previously only ABCDE, now that is ABCDE with the new line, that is new content. So before doing this we have to change the permission if the writable permission is not available to the file, or after that we can also append the file. Now once again if we remove the writable permission for that particular file, so we can change it to chmod, and here for plus w we are changing it to minus w, that means no writable permission is now there. And if we execute the script and give the file as new file, the file is not writable. So that is how we can append any file using the shell script. If you find the video is useful, then like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel.